So this is a real interesting deep look into healing, a really deep look into healing. Like the Holy Spirit will never confront you directly. No, it's like he sneaks in via the back door, because you would be so offended with a direct approach that you would start to defend and protect yourself. Like, oh no, wait a minute, what's that? That's a threat. I'm attacked. Oh, help. And no, this is Holy Spirit's work is working like via the back door. He comes in anyway, but via the back door. And that's not sneaky. No, it's just smart, because it is like you're so accustomed to complexity, to twisting and turning, to making things what they are not, like illusory perception and all this. So anything that comes directly at you, you will always interpret as attack. Whether it's love, finally, love is given to you directly with no hesitation, with no boundaries, completely poured over you. And if that would be the case, you would say like, whoa, healthy boundaries here. Take a bit of distance. This is not how I can receive this. And the Holy Spirit says, yes, I know. So that's why I come in via the back doors, like, no, it's all right. I know how you're thinking, so there's no problem here.